Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Cam at Danomics. So, as many of you know, Danomics is building out a subsurface interpretation platform with very broad capabilities that cover geoscience, petrophysics, seismic interpretation, 3D property modeling, and production and economics. We are trying to give you the tools and workflows to help you do truly best-in-class reservoir characterization work. And one of our focuses is on trying to make sure that we are giving you the tools that are built for the future. And an important part of doing that is including new technologies as they come out of our research and development pipeline, and that includes things like AI. So that's what I want to talk to you about just briefly today. So as you probably know, Danomics got its start in petrophysics, and specifically what sets us apart from all the other petrophysics software out there is we designed Danomics to be natively multi-well. So it's a massively scalable software, and we have workflows that you can apply whether or not you have 100 wells, 1,000 wells, or 100,000 wells. Uh, Now, as we have, been working with our partners and customers, and trying to always make improvements. One of the things that has came up is that we need AI in the platform to help users be as productive as possible. On the 26th of January, 2026, we released our PetroDan AI Assistant, and PetroDan uh, is a petrophysical assistant that can recommend parameters to help you with your interpretation. So PetroDan's not a chatbot that just works inside the software that can answer questions for you. PetroDan is an interpreter. PetroDan is an agent that can go out and do pieces of your interpretation for you, make recommendations that you can choose to apply to your interpretation. But we've gone beyond that. And that's really what I want to focus on now, which is our PetroDan Enterprise AI. So when you're working across a basin and you're doing that interpretation, uh, the subsurface, it's variable and it's noisy. The geology changes as we move across the area. There have been different logging tools, different vendors, different generations of logs that are available, and this can make it challenging to to apply an interpretation, um, at scale. And if you're going to interpret through all that noise, find the signal, and generate a best-in-class interpretation, you need something that will make you vastly more effective. And we believe the PetroDan Enterprise AI is that tool. So what is PetroDan AI? It's a first of its kind autonomous agent that can give every well its own custom interpretation. All you have to do is you point Dan at the databases that you want to run this analysis across, and PetroDan will return results that are ready to go into gridding and 3D modeling, so that you can focus your efforts on the real value add decisions. If you have a team of geologists and engineers that are working for you, you want them to be answering questions like, hey, where should I go out and lease new acreage? Where should I land these wells to get the best results? Not questions like, hey, what's the gamma ray clean baseline for this well? Uh, how should I set my parameters for, my TOC from Schmoker? Those are important questions on the technical level, but that's not where you want your geologists and engineers spending all their time. PetroDan can do that for you, by using a combination of Danomics specific knowledge, Danomics best practices, and a knowledge base, um, you know, to go out and answer those questions for you, apply those parameters, and do that interpretation. And so that way your team can focus on doing the hard work. Now, if you would like to learn more about the PetroDan Enterprise AI, just let me know. You can get me at sales@danomics.com, and we can talk with you about some of the specific use cases and benefits for PetroDan. All right, look forward to hearing from you. Happy interpreting, everybody.